I'm Edward Dale from Henty, New South Wales, here at the Leneva Steam Rally, here at the Easter weekend, which is a lovely family affair for the children and great-grandchildren. Love to see you here at Easter of any year to come. This here is our Cooper. There's 2 and 4 horsepower Cooper engines. Stephen Nesbitt, who was there with his little homemade tractor, actually restored this for us because this was my wife's parents, Matthew and Winifred Walsh of Henty, New South Wales. Steve and the group actually put the wheels on this. This Cooper was actually used as a shearing plant and on a saw bench. And here we are now today, you know, looking at 40 years later, that here we are, boys with their toys, enjoying ourselves with these older engines. This is our pride and joy, my wife Kay. It was her parents. Original vehicle, which we've used for the last 40 odd years as every day. Just been restored. My brother Les helped us restore this 1966 HR Holden. Yes, and we've thoroughly enjoyed it. Yes, been around many miles, and yeah, thoroughly enjoy it from here on. So this we have as a Carra Park caravan. Used to be owned by the Lockhartshire Council many years ago as a workman's caravan, and we actually inherited from Marge Liskey of Henty, New South Wales, and here it is today when we take it to Urana or any of our machinery rallies. Yeah, we take it along. It's handy for when it rains or inclement weather and things like that, as far as, you know, you've got shelter and protection if need be. Always handy, you know, if you wish to have a get together, a cup of tea, social and that type of thing. So yeah, so here's another toy that we tow behind our 1966 HR Holden. Yeah, and thoroughly enjoy it. Coming up in the near future is the 19th, 20th and 21st of March 2021, which is actually 2 years, so it's 2021, 2 years, and we're having the National NHMA Rally at the Henty Field Day site. So any contacts can be made to Kevin Elphick of Wagga Wagga, or the Urana Vintage Machinery Club, the Corriwall Machinery Club, and also the Riverina Machinery Club. And you know what?
Listen here, Barry.
Ah.